There's a big demand now for teachers that can teach in the biological sciences. And coming to Biola, I think you really get the best of both worlds. We have a school of education and now the School of Science, Technology, and Health coming together to prepare the future teachers in the sciences.
Our program will prepare you to walk out of here with a California teaching credential in concert with your Bachelor of Science.
You're able to study biological principles from a Christian perspective and also be mentored by professors and doctors that love God. They show it when they're teaching, and you're able to really just see something beautiful in these classes.
Students take a combination of courses largely from the biological sciences department, but they also take a subset of courses in the education department.
While they're going to teach you science, we're going to teach you how to teach science. And we specialize in that.
You'll kind of have a taste of all the different sciences instead of focusing just on one science.
Being a biology major, you get to do a lot of chemistry, organic chemistry, physics.
You have the opportunity to build very practical lab skills and working with equipment that you otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to work with.
We have a quantitative PCR machine. We can isolate RNA from cells and test gene expression on a number of different organisms.
We even have a scanning electron microscope, which is a big piece of equipment that a lot of other universities don't get to use.
We are within a very quick driving distance of mountains, deserts, the beach. We frequently do a lot of our field work in these local areas in very specialized habitats.
We have professors on the biological sciences side and on the School of Education side working together to teach students about pedagogy, which means teaching methods, teaching technologies, how to use technology in the classroom, how to do experiments in laboratories and incorporate those into the classroom experience.
Students have an opportunity to see theory and practice wed from the very first day. The Intro to Teaching course is held on a high school campus. We put you inside the lab and you do what you're going to be doing as a professional.
Teachers in the biological science department are very helpful and they're very knowledgeable, and not only do they want to teach us, but they really want to see us succeed.
My goal now at Biola is to help students to find their passion and their calling and to aim them in a strategic direction so they can go out and make an impact for Jesus in that area.
The School of Education does a very good job of stepping you through the process, getting you your placements in schools and helping you out with whatever you have questions with. Both teaching and science here at Biola are really solid, and it really wouldn't be the same taking these classes anywhere else.
Our program will prepare you to not only share your faith, but it'll also prepare you for the rigors of the middle school or high school classroom as soon as you graduate.
It's hard, I think, to study the human body, to study biology, to study the natural world, and ignore questions of origins, ignore questions of natural beauty and design.
We talk about how science relates to the Bible and how we can use our Christian faith to answer some of society's questions.
Because when we're in the lab or when we're in lecture, we get to hear about God's creation and see how He has created our bodies in this world. And so I know that for me that really strengthens my faith.
If that's what you want, is to engage the world of science, at the same time engaging the world of theology, then Biola is the place to be.
I think that's the reason why Biola exists, to equip men and women to advance the kingdom of God in the public, private, mission field, and homeschool arenas, especially in the areas of science.